Good morning, students. Jai Swaminarayan. Today we start with unit number 2, Nmap tool. This is a kind of practical sessions. Nmap is tool we are used for network assessment, port scanning, and network defense. How it's used? This is a 5th semester CE department, cyber security, and I am Professor Vijay Gadvi. First, start with why we use Nmap. The first is using Nessus and Nmap to audit a large network. Here we are applying Nmap tool for audit a large networks. Using Nessus and Nmap to audit a large network, first goal is a management goal. We need to justify regular use of Nmap, Nessus, and similar external network-based security audit tools in your organization. Then, technology goal: show strategies to effectively use this tool in light of 6 audit impending challenges such as personal firewall. Firewall system is used for security, authorization, and authentication. Why we need a audit? First, to find the problems. क्या प्रॉब्लम चैलेंजेस है वो हमें फाइंड करनी है. दैट नीड मस्ट फिक्स बाय ऑडिटर. Significant security vulnerabilities persist even after best practices. The pilots, Santa Claus, and quality assurance. Trust but verify. Clustering one or bug have families. An audit won't find all vulnerabilities, but fixing the ones the audit does find trend also to fix many that the audit did not identify. In next, cluster 2, work group that have good security with few problems are there but doing something right. Imitate them. Be a prophet. I know 600 machines that will have security incidents. Such measurement supports request for security budgets in dollar, request for security training for your enterprise, request for mitigating measures such as better firewalls, filters, or disaster recovery. That means failure of entire system, your application, and included hardware. By products of frequent large-scale security auditing, inventory of systems and services. How many servers do we have? Ability to respond quickly to application specific exploitation such as code red. Then identification of unauthorized system and services. For example, intruders and unacceptable use. That means unauthorized access. This is all about why we need audit. Then network based versus internal auditing. The single system. Internal white box tests tend to be much faster and more thorough than external black box tests. However, network based versus internal auditing single system. The first one is if system is already compromised. That means we found some bugs and vulnerabilities. Internal indicators may lie. Both internal and external test may miss problems or yield false alarms. A second opinion can help, especially if from a very different perspective. Third one is internally installed security tools are subject to attacks, as in recent coronavirus, which disabled antivirus and personal firewall. Fourth one, very old, very new or uncommon system may lack internal test. Fifth, internal testing is impossible for network printers, network cameras, router, etc. Device with telnet, web, SMTP or other network control interface can be remotely reconfigured with a duplicate IP, that means protocol. Do your network printers all have a password? Network based versus internal auditing. For enterprise, the first unified analysis can simplify auditor effort across. Here, multiple operating systems like Windows 98, ME, NT, 2K, XP and few professional versions are there. Unix, Linux, Mac OS and Printer OS, and there many releases advanced versions. Variant application like IIS versus Apache versus Netscape, Commerce Server, and there are many new updated versions. Here network based versus internal auditing enterprise. Second one, the security experts and other technical persons, professionals may not have adequate access to each system, so making internal test of each system impractical. Third, network-based audits exercise a firewall, filters and intrusion detection system. Then here we see network based versus internal auditing. The perspective as a Robert Burns wrote, where a gift, the gift is try us to see ourselves as others see us. Intruders use network based auditing. Here background, TCP and UDP. Internet protocol support two major transport protocols. First one is a TCP, is called as a transmission control protocol. It's used to verify that packets reach destination intact. Then second one is UDP, user datagram protocol, no delivery guarantees. Here we see no delivery guarantee. So okay for video, audio and where application check valid delivery. Background IP ports. TCP and UDP give each packet a port number from 1 to 65,535. Ports are like jacks on a switchboard or stereo system. If an application wants to be found, it uses a conventional port number like 80. TCP is equal to wave. The port number 80 follows the protocol TCP and this port is used for wave. Same as 139 and 139 TCP and UDP both are used for Microsoft sharing. Background hide and seek. If an application wants to be found, It can also use a local mechanism like RPC or a broker like Napster, Amster, etc. to locate port number by name. Some applications don't want to be found sub-7 NetBus. To find this, you must search all 65,535 ports, or else snip traffic while the application is communicating. Intrusion detection system. Here, background as a port status. A port can be closed, open and filtered. The closed means not in use, open means is listening, and filtered means the client computer asks for open or closed status report and the target computer did not reply, usually due to a firewall, because the firewall system is act for some kind of restrictions and access control. Then Nmap Free Security Scanners is one of many port scanning programs relative to other tools. Nmap is particularly efficient in scanning simultaneously testing multiple ports and multiple hosts. Nmap is a free open source from www.insecure.org. Nmap does three things. Basically determines quickly if an IP address responds to TCP or ICMP pings. It sends packet to a target IP address to find which port number are open, closed and or filtered. Send good packets and malformed packets to the target IP address and analyze responses to try to guess what kind of operating system run on the target computers. Thank you. We are seeing more topics and Nmap tools in next session. Thank you.